within striking distance.
What's going on, Riss? Oh, you super baby now?
No,
Oh, don't be hitting. Don't be hating.
You're an angry drunk, aren't you? You're splat.
Yes, hi.
Some parents take their children to the playground to have fun. We take ours to the hospital.
You better be careful. Say bye-bye. Marissa,
I'm gonna poke a hole in the
how are you feeling?
No, leave that alone, sweetie.
You feeling feisty?
There she is.
Are you a feisty drunk? You take off her socks.
Baby.
Yeah, we're not going to give you your baby because you're going to throw it. Ooh, what's that? What's on the TV? Oh my goodness.
Pipe cleaner people.
Pipe cleaner people. Pipe cleaner. Whoa. No, ma'am, you don't hit Daddy.
Monkey, it's enough.
Can you say sorry to Daddy?
Are you sorry for hitting me?
Good. Oh. Are you feeling buzzy? Here we go with the jumping again. Marissa, can you say no? Stop swatting Daddy.
Kisses, not pets. Kisses.
Can you say bye-bye? I didn't? Oops. Mommy was a bad girl.
That's permanent.
Bad girl. Yeah. Marissa, what's on the TV? Are you sleepy? Marissa,
Look at mommy.
are you sleepy? Stop hitting. Marissa, no.
Look at her eyes. Are you cuckoo?
Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Are you cuckoo?
Is that your eye? Say bye-bye. How are you doing?
I got about 7 more seconds.
Aw. Don't hit the TV, please.
Get on TV to pee on.
Can you give Daddy a kiss? Aw. Oh, sweet girl. You feeling better? So you got good drugs on board, huh? Turning the TV on and off.
Hey, I guess you have to crash on the couch.
Right on.
Sorry, the air mattress.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good.